Hey guys, we got this 2014 Sorento here today, and we're going to be changing this outside marker light that's located right here. And it's pretty simple to change. All you need is a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. We just need to remove these screws. There's one located up here and then one just below it. And then all we need to do is just grab and pull. There's 2 dowels located here and here, so just try to get that to pop out. The light you're looking for is right here. So we're going to turn this counterclockwise and pull it out. And you can see the bulb is right here. This is a 194 clear bulb. This just pulls straight out. Grab your new bulb, push it in. It should just pop into place. There's some tabs that are located on the socket itself that we need to line up in order to get this to go in. So you just spin this around until the socket sits flush into the housing. Turn it clockwise until it locks in a position like this where it's parallel with the lens. Line your dowels back up, push it into place until you feel it snap in there, and then go ahead and grab those screws and put them back in. It's just as easy as that. If you have any questions, throw them in the comment section below. If the video has really helped, give a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.